FPV drone strapped with shape-charged warheads usually goes after the back section of the tank. But this Ukrainian drone operator was going for something a bit harder. The open hatch on the abandoned tank. As the drone goes in, a little later an explosion occurs, starting a chain reaction of the ammunition inside, leading to the ammunition to burn off until the rest detonates. While not filled with ammunition, the turret just popped off the chassis, but more importantly it completely destroys the tank, leaving one less for tomorrow with the help of Ukraine's skilled drone operators. That's all I had for this video. Please like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. Bye.